In this video, I'm gonna show you how to become boss in GTA 5 online. First, you can be a CEO or a president. So to be a, let's say, CEO, click on the up area to open your phone and go to internet. Over here, you have to go to money and services and go to Dynasty 8. So over here, you will find some organizations where you can buy and become the CEO of. So for example, this one you have to buy it to become the CEO, but some of them are for free. So for example, this one, or no, not this one, let me see, there's ones that are for free. This one, Maze Bank West, it's for free, and if you just buy it, you will basically become the CEO of this organization. So let's just buy and set waypoint. Let's go back here. Hold on, let me go back in again. Enter. Okay, so it looks like I already bought it, so I'm already the CEO of this. So this is basically, after you buy it, you basically become the CEO. See, as you can see, it says you are now the CEO of Firefighters. And let me go here. I think you should be able to find it here. Oh no, let me just go here. Yeah, so you should be the CEO. So to become also the president, for example, president or the boss of a club, you basically click the up arrow again and go to the internet. And over here, you want to go to money and services. Down here, you want to go to the uh, Maze Bank foreclosures. Over here, you want to select clubhouses. So once you select a clubhouse, you will basically be able to purchase these clubhouses and become their president. So you can purchase them. They are like I think in hundreds of thousands, and that's just another way to become a boss in GTA 5. And if you click M, you will be able to see your status over here. As you can see, let me scroll down here. This is where it shows you your status. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.